Hi, this is Yogesh Kamit. Today we would be doing a chapter, the first chapter, Introduction to Integrated Marketing Communication. So, integrated marketing communication is the integration by the company of its communication channels to deliver a clear, consistent, and compelling message about the organization and its products. These are the various communication tools that companies use to communicate their offerings, which are advertising, sales promotion, public relation, personal selling, direct marketing, events and publicity. We will be doing a case to highlight the importance of integrated marketing communication is the case of Incredible India. So this is how India promoted itself in the foreign countries so that the foreign country people can visit our country and contribute to our economy. So this was one of the posters they used. So the overall plan they used was advertising, public relation, events and publicity, internet and sales promotion. Integrated marketing communication always starts with a big idea, and all the other tools of communication are used to communicate that big idea. In this case, the big idea was the fact that India is incredible, which was written in a particular font, and this was the logo of it called as Incredible India. These are the advertising mediums they used, which is television, print, and out of home advertising. This is the result of the whole campaign. So this campaign was implemented in the year 2003 2004, and you can see the place of the exclamation mark when this campaign was implemented, and how the foreign tourist arrivals, that is the number of people coming to India, they increased post this and kept increasing with an exception of the year 2009, primarily because of the subprime crisis. So, thank you. That was a very short introduction to a subject of integrated marketing communication, ending this in a way lighter note, which says that without IMC, marketing will be just reduced to these four P's, but not product, price, place, promotion, but just trying to sell the product, saying please, 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 please. Thank you.